Here we have a 2017 67 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2 4x4. Now, if we come to the front, we do have 4 superb 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels in excellent condition with all-terrain tyres on there as well. Now, we do have the Raptor style front grille with the light bar and also a metal bar just there as well. Now, we also have daylight running side lights, and there's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now, we also have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle, which really does make this car stand out from the rest. Now, we do have roof bars as well as side steps on either side, WILDTRAK decals on either front door. We also have the 4x4 decals on the back as well. Now, there's a look at another alloy wheel. Now, we also have the black window trim just there as well. Now, we do have rear parking sensors with rear reversing camera, rear tow bar. We also have the Ranger and WILDTRAK on the back just there as well. Now, if we open up the rear bed, we do have the rear dampered tailgate. And if we go to this, we have the Red Rock Direct luggage low cover. Push this open, you can see the nice spacious sized bed. Now I've popped the tailgate back up. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle, especially with that wide arch kit, as you can see just there. There's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now you can see the side steps just there as well. Now if we go to the rear of the car, we do have the half leather and half fabric interior, where we have ISOFIX points, pull down leather armour, so 2 nice size cup holders. Now we also have 12 volt connectivity in the middle there as well, and also storage behind the driver and passenger seat. And we also have WILDTRAK floor mats, as you can see just there. We have electric windows with the individual trim just there, with the leather and the orange stitching there as well. And we also have the white paintwork with the grey door handles just there as well. There's a quick look at the driver's seat with the half leather and fabric interior, and the WILDTRAKs just stitched in just there as well. Now, these seats are also heated, electric, and are extremely comfortable. We have the carbon fibre look trim just up there as well, with the brushed metal door handle and the unlock and lock button. Leather trim with, again, the individual trim and the orange stitching, with electric windows just there as well. Jumping inside the car, we do have your auto lights just down there. We also have your electric power folding mirrors just there as well. Foot on the brake and turn the key, and then the vehicle will then start. And as you can see, it is free from any warning lights on the dash, and has covered just over 31,700 miles. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just on the right hand side. You also have your volume and also controls where you can pick the phone up, also voice command and put the phone down. Now if we go to the centre, we do have your satellite navigation just in the centre. Wait for that to load up for just 2 seconds, but I'll show you your audio. So we have your DAB radio. Going to sources, you have AM, FM, DAB, CD, and also Bluetooth audio. You have your climate control, which is also dual zone climate control, which you control from down here and just up there. You can also turn the heated front seats on from the screen as well, and also change the temperature. You also have your phone connectivity, navigation, which is just there. You can zoom in and out as well. You also have your apps, where you can find mobile apps and also add devices. Go into settings. We have all these different settings just here. Now if you swipe across, you do have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just there as well. Then you have your ambient lighting on the next screen there as well. We have ice blue, orange, soft blue, red, green, blue and purple. Now if I put the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera just there with the rear parking sensors. Now you have your line just there, which lines up to the tow bar, so it makes hooking up easier to trailers or caravans or whatever you may need to tow. Now coming down here, we do have your dual zone climate control again, which again works just as you would expect it to, and pops up on the screen just there. So I'm just pushing the passenger one, it says passenger, and then if I go to the driver side, then it says driver. Again, we have your 2 heated front seats, which you can control from here on the screen. Heated seats really do make a difference in those cold winter mornings. We also have two 12-volt connectivities just down there, two USB ports with storage just down there as well. You have traction control on and off, and also downhill ascent assist. You also have two-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive high, and also four-wheel drive low, so this vehicle is very capable off-road. Coming down here, we do have your two nice sized cup holders just there as well. Soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passengers. Half leather and fabric front seat, again with the WILDTRAK just stitched in just there. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, a new MOT, and we do offer competitively finance. So thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it a straight line. It is going straight and true and not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate, simply push the button at the top, on the top left where there's a little dial. Press that and then press set, and then it'll go to nearest miles an hour. And you've got two buttons, plus and a minus, to go up and down through the miles an hour. And to cancel, simply either tap the brake or press cancel, and then the cruise control will then cancel. So I'm coming up to the roundabout. I'm going to take a left as you would if you're driving this vehicle today. Now we do have the manual option for the automatic gearbox. So on the gear stick, just push to the right when in D, and then it'll go to S, and then you can go up and down through the gears. So to go down, push away from you, so I'm now in third, pull towards me, and I'll go into fourth, into fifth, and then to let the car take back over, simply push back to the left until the gear stick is facing straight up. Now we do have very comfortable half leather and fabric seats with heated function as well, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. Now I can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now in the centre we do have a satellite navigation screen where we can find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, and also a rear reversing camera. Now, here at RS Car Sales we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for anyone wanting knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now we do have Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. We also have a TikTok account, so feel free to follow us on either platforms just to stay up to date with everything RS Car Sales. And if you follow us on TikTok, you can see all the behind the scenes of how we clearly clean the cars and how we picture, video and all the behind the scenes of the RS Car Sales. But right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect it to, and the rear reversing camera does as well. So in 3, 2, 1, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse. As you can see, there's no issues whatsoever, and you can see the rear reversing camera just in the centre. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.